In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the miserable plight of the illegally detained Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in different jails of the territory in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said, India is subjecting the Kashmiri political prisoners to vengeance for challenging its illegal occupation over Jammu and Kashmir. He said most of the Kashmiri prisoners were suffering from various ailments and continued denial of basic facilities, including proper medical care and hygienic food had led to the deterioration of their health condition. The APHC spokesman urged the global rights bodies, including the UN Human Rights Council, Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, and International Committee of Red Cross, to play their role in the release of all Kashmiri detainees so that their lives could be saved. Political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government has unleashed a reign of terror against Muslim population of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where systematic human rights violations are being continuously perpetrated by Indian troops with impunity. They said that the people of the occupied territory were facing extrajudicial killings, custodial torture, and arbitrary detentions on the daily basis. A special court of India's notorious National Investigation Agency in Jammu dismissed the bail application of journalists Fahad Shah and Abdul Ala Fazli. Indian police had arrested Fazli for his article "The Shackles of Slavery Will Break," published in the monthly magazine The Kashmir Wala. Fahad Shah, who is editor of the Kashmir Wala, was arrested after he published the narrative of the families of victims of sub-fame encounters, which was in conflict with the Indian police version. On the other hand, the Modi government is making one move after the other to Indianize the illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In its latest move, the Modi regime has launched a campaign to hoist the Indian flag on every house in the occupied territory. In this regard, Indian authorities have constituted a 7-member committee to ensure implementation of the campaign. At least 8 Indian soldiers were injured in a road accident in South Kashmir's Pulwama district today. The mishap occurred after a vehicle of the Indian Army collided with a truck on Srinagar-Jammu highway in Avantipura area of the district. Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Mender area of Poonch district. The troops also fired several gunshots in the area.